Hey you guys, welcome back. It's me again, and yes, I am wearing the same sweater because I'm filming 2 videos in one day because I just wanted to share this purchase with you guys and I really want to open this package. So I was like, let me just film this right now so I can get out of the way. So this is sort of like I guess a haul and a review on Shop Miss A. If you've never heard of Shop Miss A before, it's a website and they have like beauty stuff and like a few accessories, mainly makeup though, and they have it for everything's $1. I've never shopped from Shop Miss A before. I've been eyeballing it for a long time, you know, looking at things, and I finally decided to make a purchase. They had free shipping when you bought like, when you spend like, what was it, like $30 or something? So that's like 30 things. And just to let you know now, I bought a lot of sheet masks because my skin has been super dry. So I'm just gonna get into the review. So this is the package it came in. It says Miss A on it. And it's just a nice black bag. I ordered this and it came within like a week and it's like Christmas season. So I thought that was really good. It came way faster than I expected. So I think the shipping is pretty good. Okay. So pulling it out the bag. I have my receipt. It's wrapped in bubble wrap for protection. Whew. I'm just gonna start out. So I didn't get, it really doesn't look like I got too much because I got so many sheet masks. I got, hold on, let me see how many sheet masks I got. Let me add this up. Oh my gosh, I got so many. So I got 24 sheet masks, and sheet masks, they can be pretty expensive. They usually range from $2.50 to like $5. And so they have a plethora, like so many sheet masks on the website, but I need some for hydrating and whatnot. What I didn't just throw in the bag. I definitely read the reviews, and that's my suggestion to you, is read the reviews. Cause it's skincare and it's cheap skincare. But read the reviews, cause some people have reviews on some masks and that said that their skin like had bad reactions, and that sounds horrible. And you have to keep in mind that people react to products differently. So that doesn't mean that that would happen to me, but I just would rather stay clear. So all the sheet masks that I had no negative reviews at the time that I purchased them. So I felt safe purchasing them. I think I got 5 different sheet masks. I got a couple of these hydrating sheet masks. Hypoallergenic and paraben free, eco-friendly. And they had good reviews. So I got all of these. Oh, and they're also no fragrance in these. So that's something that I liked about these. There's no fragrance in these sheets. So that's really good. These are green tea masks, moisture green tea masks. And they had good reviews. So I was like, I'm gonna try that. Green tea is good for you. And I also got some avocado masks. I got 3 of these as well. They revitalize your skin. They help retain moisture for radiant and shiny skin, and they're good for dry and sensitive skin, which I have super sensitive skin. It's been really dry, so that's great. And then I got 2 of these Pure Balance masks. Pure aloe extract heals and calms skin. It has vitamin E and collagen, and it says natural extract. And then with these masks, I'm really excited to try these. I wasn't gonna get them, but after reading the reviews, and then it's sort of, these are different because they say rose oil face mask. So I don't know if this is gonna be oily or not, but I'm interested to try. And as I was reading the reviews, I saw all good reviews, but someone also mentioned that they noticed, someone also mentioned that they knew another company that was selling the same exact masks, these rose oil masks, for $5 each. So I'm like, that might be a sign that this is a pretty good mask. So I bought a couple of these, 24 masks total, and I'm super excited because these really help to soothe my dry skin. Sheet masks do, so you know, I'm really excited to try all of these, and I got them for $1 each, so I'm just really excited. So I have a couple of like eyeshadows and like blushes that are in the tin container. You know, they're like the singles, and so they didn't come with a container to put them in, or like a palette to put them in. So I've been needing one, and I've been looking around for a magnetic container. So now I have one to put all of my single eyeshadows and face powders in, and I'm so excited. It's a good size. This was not $1. This was the only thing that was not $1, I believe. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was $7, which is still good, but this is the only thing that wasn't $1 on the website, or that I bought. This is the only thing that I bought that wasn't $1, and it's just a pretty good size, you can see. So, and then also, I've been wanting one of these, so I'm probably going to use this today or tomorrow, but this is a brush cleaning egg, and so it has like the little grooves on it. It's rubber, it has little grooves on it, and then it has, you know, all of that to really get in there and clean your brushes. So I'm really excited to use that. I just clean my brushes and I pretty much just rub them against the palm of my hand, and that works fine, but for $1, I was like, I'm gonna try this. Maybe they'll get a little extra clean. I also got this small brush. This is a AOA Studio E116 brush. And I think this is like an eyeliner brush. When I bought this, I think I had my eyebrows in mind, but this is probably good for like your eyebrows or your eyeliner, like a cream eyeliner. So that's cool, $1. And then I got 3 more things left. And I got a lipstick. So I got this lipstick. It smells really good. And I know when I bought this, I had in mind like a dark purplish kind of color, or like a wine kind of color. It says a 24-hour lipstick, AOA Studio Wonder lipstick, and it's supposed to last for 24 hours. The words on it are already like sort of came off, and it hasn't even been used, so I can't really read that. But I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. Gorgeous. This is a pretty color. This is exactly what I was looking to get. And it's not very shiny. Yeah. Yep, so this was $1. And then also I got some concealers, and it said on the website that these were good for concealers. Oh my gosh. These were good for concealers or foundations. So I wanted like a highlighting concealer. It was $1, so I was like, why not just get it for $1 when I make this purchase. But I noticed one has the safety seal on it, the plastic, and this one doesn't. So that sort of makes me nervous. I think I'm gonna email them about that and not use this. But I will swatch this one. This is so white. Oh, I wanted a color that would highlight, but I didn't want it to be this white. But that's really white. But that's all that I got. I got 30 items, and it didn't seem like a lot because I got so many sheet masks, which I'm really excited about. And I'm super excited about this thing. So I think I'm gonna put my little shadows and powders and everything in there right now. Oh, it would've been cool if this came with a mirror. But anyways, it's okay. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I like shopping on the website. I would read reviews for sure, read reviews. It looks like the website is set up really nice. It looks like good quality. Of course, everything's $1, so, you know, you wanna be a little, you know, just, you know, think about it before you get it. And then again, it's $1, so you won't lose too much money. But read reviews. Reading reviews is, I think, key when shopping on these affordable, like really cheap websites. I think reading reviews will help you a lot. And then if you have a problem like this one, this concealer didn't have the safety seal on it, just let them know. Email them back and let them know. And they should definitely, I think most companies will replace that easily. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see anything else or have any other requests, let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.